Today we are going to talk about safety precaution during excavation. An excavation is any man-made cut, cavity, trench, or depression in an earth surface formed by earth removal. Trench means a narrow excavation made below the surface of the ground. In general, the depth is greater than the width, but the width of a trench is not greater than 4.6 meters. Dangers during excavation. Cave-in poses the greatest risk and are much more likely than other excavation-related accidents to result in worker fatalities. Other includes falls, falling loads, hazardous atmospheres, and incidents involving mobile equipment. Safety measure. No vehicle should be there near the trench. Proper ladder should be there for labor to escape from trench. Excavated material should be deposited at minimum 1 meter away from the trench. Water should be pumped out from the trench before starting of excavation work. Trench safety measures. Trenches which are 5 feet or more in depth must require the protective system unless the excavation is made entirely in stable rock. Trenches which are more than 20 feet in depth are required that the protective system be designed by a professional engineer. Competent person is the one who is capable of identifying existing and predictable hazards that are hazardous and dangerous to workers, soil type and protective systems required, and who is authorized to take prompt corrective measures to eliminate these hazards and conditions. When working in the excavation having depth of 4 feet, it requires safe access and egress to all excavations, including ladders, steps, ramps, or other safe means of exit. These devices must be located within 25 feet of all workers. Keep the heavy equipment away from the trench edges. Test for atmospheric hazards such as low oxygen, hazardous fumes and toxic gases when greater than 4 feet deep. Inspect trenches after any occurrence that could have changed conditions in the trench. Position of the underground utilities should be known before starting the excavation work. Inspect if the trenches are following a rainstorm or any other water intrusion. Ensure that personnel wear high visibility or other suitable clothing when exposed to vehicular traffic.